AJ's Collectibles, great seller, will purchase again. Thank you very much, AJ's Collectibles. New for 2024, Jacob Stewart's WWE action figure unboxing from eBay, right here on Jacob Stewart, the WWE action figure collector YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel, Jacob Stewart, the WWE Action Figure Collector YouTube channel, for another episode of Jacob Stewart's WWE Action Figure unboxing from eBay. Today I'll be unboxing this box right here. And what did I purchase? What did I purchase from eBay? Oh, hang on. Here we go. Oh my god, it's an ultimate unboxing. It's the Ultimate Warrior bubble wrap. Wait a second. Here we go. Bubble wrap. Packed very greatly. Awesome. Packed very, very good. Thank you very much. Bubble wrap. The Ultimate Warrior. I told you it was going to be an ultimate unboxing from eBay today. Check that out. The Ultimate Warrior Series 4. Been on my watch list for years, and I love the old school figures. So I thought, time to purchase. A very good deal. Very good. Very good. Packed well, that's packed very good. That's the back of it. It's in top condition. That's MIC. I'm very happy with that. Very good deal. Very good seller on eBay. Thank you very much. How much did it cost? Wait, there's a card somewhere as well. But how much did it cost? No roll up because it was like 115. 115, including postage. It was a very good deal, and I thank you very much. Very good seller, and thank you very much for that deal. That was very, very nice. That's a nice deal. A great deal. That's the Ultimate Warrior. I won't be collecting anymore. Yeah, that set. But I like collecting the old school 2010 figures. MIC, that's good. I love that belt. That's awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. That's the figure. Great seller on eBay. Very, very good. I will purchase again. Absolutely purchase again and do another deal. And I did find the card. It's right here. It is AJ's Collectibles. Great seller, will purchase again. Thank you very much, AJ's Collectibles. That's a little shout out there. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alrighty, that will go right there on my purchase cards stand. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. And that's my latest purchase from eBay, from AJ's Collectibles. A great seller on eBay and will purchase again. Very good. Thanks for watching, everybody. That's my latest purchase from eBay.